when we talk about this split in society, it's not a hard split. You can't say that all people who are younger than 40 know everything about the internet and all people who are older than 40 do nothing know about the internet. It's not this way. It's a gradual thing. So you always also have people who are older and who are open-minded and to look at how internet works and to understand it and to appreciate it and who work in advance of it and make use of it. And a possible way to speed up the development could actually be to just look at those people and try to make them a bit more influential than those who are always sitting on the brakes for the new developments. And this is a thing, what I'd say, which is currently under development. On the other side, it's also possible that younger people just say, okay, when they don't understand us, then we have to do politics also. This is a thing which you had earlier, for example, with the Green Party in the late 70s and early 80 years. But I'd say that the Pirate Party, for example, is just a similar development of these days. It's once again, it's the younger generation who feels totally misunderstood by politics, by current politics, and to say, okay, then we are doing it on our own. And in my opinion, we are not totally unsuccessful currently with our approach. Finally, of course, the biological factor is also a thing which just forces a development on a biological way, because the older people somewhere just go out of their political area and say, okay, now we are old enough that we don't want to be integrated into this anymore, and then younger people follow them, and therefore you always have a natural exchange of people and therefore also of politicians, of course. And this will also in the long term bring these new ideas into politics. But I myself would be much more comfortable with these new ideas coming earlier into the political stage.